What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a comparison of the Jabra Elite 3 against the Jabra Elite 7 Pro. For those of you that may be wondering if you should shell out the extra money and go ahead and get the Elite 7 Pro, or if you should save some money and get the Elite 3. So let's go ahead and jump into it, starting off with the charging cases. So with the Jabra Elite 3, you're getting the traditional upright design that we're used to seeing from Jabra, compared to the more clamshell design on the Jabra Elite 7 Pro. And also a key difference here, the Jabra Elite 7 Pro has the charging port on the front of the case, whereas on the Elite 3, it's on the back of the case. Another key difference is going to be that you're getting wireless charging on the Elite 7 Pro, whereas that's not an option on the Elite 3. Aside from that, they're both giving you some really great build quality, and you're getting some nice strong magnets to help keep the earbuds in place. Moving over to the earbuds, you're getting a very similar design with both, although the Elite 7 Pro are just slightly smaller compared to the Elite 3. They're both giving you physical button controls with full playback controls, so you get your play and pause, your track forward, your track backward, as well as your volume control and your ambient sound controls. One advantage that you have with the Elite 7 Pro is that you can customize the configuration of the controls, whereas on the Elite 3, you don't have that option. So both earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.2, and as far as audio codecs, with the Elite 7 Pro, you're getting SBC as well as AAC. With the Elite 3, you're getting SBC and aptX. For those of you that like to listen to one earbud at a time, both of these options have you covered, so you can listen to either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the charging case. Only the Elite 7 Pro offers in-ear detection, which is a feature that automatically pauses your music anytime you remove one of the earbuds from your ear, and then it automatically resumes your music once you place them back into your ear. When it comes to battery life, on the Elite 7 Pro, you're looking at roughly 8 hours on a single charge, and that extends to a total of 30 including the case. On the Elite 3, you're looking at roughly 7 hours on a single charge, and that extends to a total of 28 with the charging case, so not exactly a huge difference. With the Elite 7 Pro, you're getting an IP57 dust and water resistant rating compared to the IP55 dust and water resistant rating of the Elite 3, so you are getting a little bit more protection from sweat and water, and technically you can submerge the Elite 7 Pro in water if you would like, whereas on the Elite 3, it's probably not a good idea. Now, when it comes to the fit, both of these options fit me really well, and both are smaller than Jabra's previous Elite models, so I think they're going to fit a wider range of people. They're both fairly comfortable as well, although I will say that the Elite 7 Pro seem to fit me just a little bit better, simply because they're a tad smaller than the Elite 3, and personally I have smaller ears, so that works out better for me. Now, when it comes to sound quality, that's really where we start to notice a difference between these two. You're definitely getting better sound performance on the Elite 7 Pro. Now, don't get me wrong, the Jabra Elite 3 also have really great sound quality, and you have access to 6 different EQ presets within the Jabra Sound app, but the Elite 7 Pro take it a step further and allow you to create your own EQ preset, so you have more customization over the sound, and you can really open these up a lot more compared to the Jabra Elite 3. You're also getting better dynamic range, especially with the mids and the highs, so you're able to get noticeably better treble and clarity. And you're also getting a louder max volume, so overall the Elite 7 Pro definitely get the nod in terms of sound quality. Now, moving over to active noise cancellation, only the Elite 7 Pro offers active noise cancellation, so if that's what you're looking for, it's pretty obvious which one you'll have to go with. When it comes to the transparency mode, the Elite 7 Pro get the nod there as well. You're getting a much more effective transparency mode, and you're getting an adjustable slider within the Jabra Sound app, so you have a lot more control. You can really dial it to a level that sounds the most natural to you. And just to provide some perspective, I would say that the transparency mode on the Elite 3 is probably equivalent to level 2 out of 5 on the Elite 7 Pro. So as far as the call quality, Jabra is really pushing this multi-sensor technology with bone conducting sensors on the Jabra Elite 7 Pro, but I actually think the call quality is pretty comparable between the two, but I'll let you guys be the judge. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Jabra Elite 7 Pro. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a quiet environment. So now let's go ahead and see how they sound once we add some background noise. All right, now we got some crowd noise being played on a Bluetooth speaker right to the left of me here. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these in a more noisy environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, now this is a microphone test of the Jabra Elite 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Quiet conditions. Now let's go ahead and see how they sound once we add some background noise. All right, now we got some crowd noise being played on the speaker right to the left of me. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these in a more noisy environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be it for this video. If you're interested in grabbing either of these earbuds, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. And if you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and do me a favor, give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. And you can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. And aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.